Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable HDMI control, which will allow you to control your TV using your HDMI control compatible device. If you have an HDMI device connected, such as a decoder or a gaming console, they sometimes offer an option to use it to control your TV. To enable that so it's available, click on the settings on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings, then channels and inputs, external devices control, and now you can disable or enable HDMI control. When this is enabled, your your compatible HDMI connected device will be able to, for example, power on or power off your TV using that device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.